Assalamu alaikum students. Good morning grade 4. How are you all? I hope all of you are fine. Welcome again to a new social studies session. Today, inshallah, my dear students, we are going to start with a new topic about North America. Focus on natural resources. By the end of this lesson, my dear students, you will be able to learn about two countries and one continent, North America, and learn about their natural resources. So, let us start our lesson by understanding the new vocabularies. The first one, diverse, which is mean, varied, different, or several, many things. Next word, precipitation, which is mean, rain, snow, or sleet, or hail that falls on the ground. Okay? The last one is ecosystem, which is a biological community of interacting organisms and their physical environment. So, North America and resources. North America is a diverse continent, various or different, okay, continent, and the third largest in the world. The third largest in the world, the first one Asia, then Africa, the third one is North America. Okay, only after Africa and Asia, North America. It has the high mountains, the first picture, high mountains, and long rivers, and great plains, and the last one, rainforests. North America seems to have it all of these. In this lesson, inshallah, we are going to look at the geography and resources of the continent. The bodies of water that surrounded North America are the Arctic Ocean to the north, in the north side, which is frozen for much of the year. It is home to seals and polar bears. Next one, the Atlantic Ocean to the east side, and on the western side is the Pacific Ocean. Okay, in the south is the Caribbean Sea and the Gulf of Mexico. The biggest river is the Missouri-Mississippi River system, which is more than 3,700 miles long. There are many other impressive lakes and rivers, including the Great Lakes. The polar bear lives in the Arctic Ocean, which is frozen for most of the year. Polar bears have a great sense of smell and can smell a seal, their favorite meat, from about a mile away. And let us do this exercise on this map. Locate and name the following. The first one, Gulf of Mexico. Which one is Gulf of Mexico? Check here. I made it with yellow square. And next one, Atlantic Ocean. Number 3, Pacific Ocean, Gulf of Alaska, and the Great Lakes, and the Caribbean Sea. Check all of these and do it in your book, page 84. And here let us talk about bodies of water in North America. Many of the bodies of water that flow through North America change temperatures as they travel through the country. For example, the Mississippi River, which starts in northern Minnesota, starts from snow and ice melting in the Midwest and ends up in very hot and humid Louisiana. In the east are the Appalachian Mountains, which stretch from Canada to Alabama, which is another state in America. The west, the Rocky Mountains stretch from Canada to New Mexico. And now, grade 4, you can do this exercise by using the map in the previous slide or in your book to draw the Appalachian Mountains and the Rocky Mountains, and also draw the Mississippi River and color the Great Lakes. Do this one in your book, page 85. And here, let us talk about the prairies of North America. Prairies, which mean a large grassland. The United States of North Dakota, South Dakota, Montana, Nebraska, Kansas, Oklahoma, Texas, Wyoming, Colorado, and New Mexico, and the Canadian provinces of Alberta, Manitoba, and Saskatchewan make up the Great Plains. The prairies in North America formed as the Rocky Mountains grew taller and taller. The prairies have dry and cold winters and hot summer. They receive between 6 to 24 inches of rainfall each year and can have severe thunderstorms and tornadoes. Most of their precipitation occurs during the months of May and June and July. It can have extreme weather. So, grade 4, all of these are states of America which make up the Great Plains to make the prairies. Okay, and about the precipitation, as I told you on the first slide, the heavy rain, when the rain fall down, this occurs during the months of May, June, and July. May, June, and July. North America has a strong domestic and export economy, local and export economy, which focuses on this abundant array of natural resources and is one of the most developed regions in the world. Almost every type of ecosystems, this is a biological community of interacting organisms living in their physical environment, is represented somewhere on this continent, from the coral reefs in the Caribbean to the ice sheet in Greenland. Okay, let us talk about farmers in North America. Farmers can harvest oranges, sugarcane, coffee, cocoa, and bananas in the tropical zones, and cotton, hemp are cultivated in the warmer and drier intermediate climate zone. Fruits, vegetables, cotton, and tobacco are predominant in the subtropical zones, which benefit from much rain and warm air. The farmers are also known for having dairy products, corn, and wheat. This is the end of our lesson for today, grade 4. Thank you for listening and have a nice day.